Hey everybody, Tentacle Wizard. Good morning. It's 5 o'clock today, and I'm back upstairs with the Power Macintosh 7200 because I just now got to get out of bed. See if it installed. Okay, here's the hard drive. Alright, installation process is finished. Go ahead and hit quit. Ooh. Kind of blind this morning. Can't see. Oh, I can't inject the CD yet. We're gonna go ahead and shut her off. Woo! They gotta hurt my eyes because I just now got up. So let's go ahead and see if she'll power up with the hard drive. Okay, we got the little happy face. Echo was 8.6. I don't know why it does that every time. Pattern goes away and it just turns gray. As I said, this is a 75 megahertz processor. I say it's faster than the other hard drive was. Okay. PRM battery's dead, obviously. Okay, I guess this upgrade was successful, so yeah guys, guess that's about it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.